Alright, this is the elevator at Midway Arts in Coatesville, Pennsylvania. Before we ride this elevator, we have two additional elevators right here. We have an OTIS freight elevator from the 60s, and then we have an old, really old passenger elevator, which is unfortunately defunct. So that's really unfortunate. And actually, they're using that, so let's see if we can get this one first. Sheet room access. Here it is. OTIS doors. Yeah, see there's the door for the passenger elevator. You can see there it goes. It's pretty slow. It's a shame about this original passenger, but oh well. Take her down the loading dock. Beautiful motor. There's like a wedding or something going on the 4th floor. So yeah, this is not original to the building. (139) East Chestnut Street. 1944? I don't know about that. This is a lot newer than the 40s. 3,000 pounds. Car 3. So this does not serve the basement and the sub-basement. The passenger elevator does, because that's the original freight elevator. This elevator, I assume, does. The original passenger. Really sad that's defunct. It should be running. This has a really nice motor on it. You can see there's 2 light fixtures there, or 2 light sockets, but only one is working. Listen to this. Alright, we'll take her back up to 5. Gotta hold the button down for a second. When I came in here at first, the passenger was not really that busy at all. Now it's really busy. Came here at the wrong time, I suppose. Beautiful motor. Guess that's the roof access there. Alright, and there goes the freight. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.